Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Epic Egberts. This is the part one of my clean and decorate with me for Christmas. This episode is mostly cleaning and getting our tree set up. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss part two. I am going to be doing a ton of decorating. I will share with you some game-changing Christmas tree tips, and ever since I learned these tips, my Christmas trees look stunning. I mean, they are so cool. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications too so that you don't miss that video, because it is so cool, you guys. I can't wait to share it with you.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling.
Something I've been doing lately is sudsing everything in my house up in soap. It cleans so well, especially for the walls and the floors. Since I already planned on sudsing up the floors and getting them really eat off me clean, I decided why not hit everything else, like the walls and my entertainment center. It's just been super satisfying to get things really clean. I love doing a nice deep clean for the holidays because I feel like it just gets you in the mood to enjoy each other in a really nice cozy space.
Every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you.
To get everything super sudsy, I just take some dish soap and a bin of water that I change out several times. After I get it all sudsed up, I take a microfiber cloth and dip it in the water over and over again until I get all the suds and all the dirt off.
Christmas, oh Christmas.
I realized I needed my mop shoes. They are actually essential if you are sudsing up your floor like I am, because otherwise it is super slippery and you don't want to slip and get hurt. So the mop shoes definitely help give you a little traction. And I'm just wiping everything down really good.
Message once again ring true as Christmas. Oh, Christmas, how we've longed for you. Christmas, oh, Christmas, a child is born in you. Christmas, oh, Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh, Christmas, let your message once again ring true.
The brick in front of our wood stove really needed scrubbed off super good, so I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and now it's definitely looking way cleaner. Finish all this scrubbing off with a finishing mop. I love this mop. It works so well. I love how it has like a salad spinner attachment that spins the water off. I just love it. It's the perfect size and is the best mop I've literally ever used. So for the holidays this year, I want to do a giveaway of 2 of my favorite cleaning products. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment below which drawing you'd like to be in. I will be doing a drawing for Mop Shoes and a drawing for my favorite O-Cedars mop. I will announce the winner in my part 3 Christmas Decorate With Me video. So what you want to do is make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and that you comment below Mop Shoes or O-Cedars mop, or if you want to enter both, you can comment both. I mean, it's the holidays and I just feel like these are some of my favorite cleaning products and I want to share them with you guys. I mean, free stuff. Who doesn't love getting something free? So I thought this would be a really fun way for me to give back to you guys and just really let you know how much I appreciate you. Let's give a mop and some mop shoes away.
outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
So I have these flashing Christmas lights in my hallway, and I actually ended up scrubbing down my whole hallway, our fan, all the walls, all the trim, and everything else. But the footage, when I sped it up, it made me feel kind of sick, so I decided not to include it and just include a couple photos at the end of this video. I have light sensitivity where flashing lights just make me feel sick. I'm not as bad where I would have a seizure or anything like that, but I definitely didn't want to include anything in my video that would cause anybody any harm or discomfort. So I scrubbed my hallway down really good, but I am keeping that footage to myself. It was bad. Oh my god, I could barely edit it, and I was like, okay, never mind, I'm not going to subject you guys to this. If you like the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below which item or both that you would like to enter to win. Also, definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 2 of this video, because it is so cool. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm finishing editing it right now, and it will be out this week as well, so you're definitely not going to want to miss that. My Christmas tree turned out so good, you guys. It's crazy. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.